Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model VE2150-Q in color code 1002/71. It's a Black-Gold-Havana color frame. The temples have a gold Medusa logo on the side in a Havana color, as well as the other side. This is the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray-green color with a removable leather gold Medusa logo. Up here we have our Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.